Honorable Kaineno issue Mathieu and even when Dana Weng yum look program a parish development model ne Dana Ben tiki ko matek mapewache. I'll refer you to check my Uganda Burimo Magichoyoni the National Objective and Directive Principle of State Police number Rio paragraph me Rio ne mawai ni gamente tie ki dok teach menani area weng mai lo Uganda ki mini ki kare me don ma rum madori tunka moni pe beru lung total tunka moni pe beru chere total enuka ini chako examining yup ene me PDM e bi no ni tika bukane ma no ki bi weko ge weji speed madui kamokene bu dongo ko nyen based on population the size of the parish kachela chela anga gimon ma planning pigament these are the things ma numero e keep me planning or numero ki forecasting or chon then a remedy must have been developed to deal with this kind of vacuum maromokati ikon programs magamante berukare
omera ene lo da Max William ingiri program wen ka okati challenges beruti donc the National Planning Authority one oberga ko kumye
okay
pienga wipo ikarma guberga mi figures mi population tunko malo mi Uganda achori gilao por kare chama kare gidwa wildaro goini wildaro timonok compared to area bukene
meno Uganda National Bureau of Statistics
exactly where we knew kwan dan mo kare la wo magari one obere gi ko ma terra da one way no e lo volo we are what you look over a parliament. Give parliament para na getting all the results for Johnny. Bien,
give value billions of our shillings in tax.
Give value chente, down work gang, enter report Madogi Mio, pay what a ging on the ground. J. Joma, the planning authority, catching the National Bureau for Statistics. Polkare, Jomo Kanagiti bias, Mapigiti fair. Anyway, the recommendation Mamekwa, Waramid would pay mati Uganda umero odong roma
that is the provision of exactly. The law, by the way.
Kay neno number of parishes, number of villages, the population kidmag wajo ni actually erigilo chan maloyoni pingo pidong gamente o kertiane maduong loyo.
That is what I was driving
exactly gamente o kertiane maduong loyo kama jo malo chan loyo tiye weki il kergi manyuri kay nen PDM le eni gitika miyo million achel bon ngara chela paris achel kama dong chan ti diet maloy pingo pedo gi million ate kate afati na ga gi yo weng million mi achel ti ifeli min yango kidma joma go chao program le eroni kida go timo ga calculation ti guma bere madong gi dwaro iching one members of parliament mati iching committee me parliament one wa be category report ma meko owero alego yemeti when you ready ikumere kon wakitam girmenoni pere tek kitu mirgiti kwere wachene eni okondane level malamali gibere machala committee watika neneni ye recommendation mamekwa gameto bioro med will chene bien jomo kene wajeni kimir chao bia char mabebe ko ti million achiel pero mo chao ti bia char makere la bole ke miro ero charo dukan project mo kere mo don ti recommendation mamekwa one wabikati kurwa wajeni kagamente romo mi million adek dokwere maro nyo jomo kene magitigi business plan ma don teke gichwalo CDOs focal point person manano con PDM mau interacting onero plan pangat any tie level malamal gamene romi chene yere maluka gi kero kid maroma tibne kwere la bolle bodwa moro ti commercial farmers no ngarme tika bier fur mutile eka mi ario eka mi ade ti kangara bier fur mutile eka mi ario eka mi ade piga mente o kwa million pa mi ngate ro o kwa million pijo mi ire were o wil kore mutile o pan tractor o ya poro ka enen tomo tiek mabe ka e mi million pa ka mutile tiek ngate ro no we million mi achie ti jimi makomere watika nene were ala jo improvement o betie o were ju yara fo darri piti gamente mo fori ma obergi tammi mi chene bodo tedero Owero ichare ju an kati lokidano. Afo President Yoweri Museveni. Awajo ni President Yoweri Museveni omiyo to about one members of parliament. Mawajo ni you appropriate oting chiente omi bodo tedero. Ma President Yoweri Museveni timo beare da. Le program le edikaro ki chakchon kono tamma ni meriye mo chana Uganda ni kono o to ma beare da. Ti bene for pitile Pierre Uganda po reyo chero kamao. Ti amira fo la di President Yoweri Museveni tamme mi chene PDM bodo tedero. Anmati won kom ma na accountability deni pole amogo Pierre wo interacting idana o weng. Inge joma pigi ngeyo joma pigi ti joma kere winyo gi ngalo ento anma a interacting kilo tedero kit ma chene eni bero kwere afoyo gamenda de da ma lego ni imete gi ilu kero balwak imete gi melo chente were la si da wajo botu joma kitika nywaro ti chede bi PDM le eni amira fode lu ba polo kare miyo yara kitum yara passing kwere judgment
nino jabere wa office council or kacha anena do ata anyman doctor nanya mangeni kere judge more of the Supreme Court.
Actually inge kai neno tika ti mamekwa Paul Kari kirma chek wajo kwere no committee mamekwa ni Roma gi High Court. Dokwere chek wajo ni gin ma ara mo ma charo chairman mokle ene Roma gi mok palangol kop dakwe ngar mo pe matime gi mo kadong army ruling ni iri nyuar tiene inyuar kidmeti ki tiene pagamente o mier gi mari gi teri court ruling mo mega notify o mier teri court endo ko ngenjie si wera dan wi du awaji gi darle o lek pi wa matek weglo ba mi wariero mi wa ngej kito mier chal ko judgment.
But honorable doctor, aside from long rendering ruling, I think door committee and it's a derk in the PRA we are derk ben I think Dr. Mona Mate State Minister me kumala Uganda kanya betu kanya. I introduced this matter before him. Ne long me PDM they are not taking kogo matera de taye. Tutwale ilokom mayo chilling mate will rom to every parishes. Labo considering the number ki the population size ki the size of every parish. In Machalo won't come me park. Ineno nining itamani otwero making recommendations katwere go making charity obed in terms of the population size per parish.
Omera enen ngoma watika timre.
Okay.
Owera watika water i district when icharo watika na list per parishes of when I went down with paris every. Icharo wa compare Western Uganda. Don't watika be in Northern Uganda. Plan mamekwa RTD kay nano parishes matetung Northern Uganda. Inono parishes mukene doanada.
Dano duwa yedida.
Dano beno doanada. Ena wengi mi wheelchair maroma.
Yes.
Sile eroni RTA can report mamekwa mawa mi recommendation.
Okay.
Iya yombere karcha mano tela chole gruatagi President Yoweri Museveni. Obere kinlok maginyamo. Me creating parishes kero administrative unit maduong porwa ya chole kai. Kai chere Western Uganda inono area mateno notie a county notie a district. No area maritiri no. Ento one botwa kind no area tima large well down tima duong ento parishes counties district weleti no. To wakema yot weko konyi do pe kitano. Che ikarwa Jerusalem selegi timma mege gunone office bo mekwa tika tiyu tij exactly ngomer gitim. Dok bere give me about one or exactly about community. O weko kukero geri kumwa. Che primero wundo mote winyo radio. Ichawale ene omierno indiano michi abichi omiero office bo mega gutia kwot i group of weng minero lok mi po kebani.
So kemani dung che office mamegu
supplier ichare gichwalo wegi nen group gi nen stores ka supplier guchwal kema kita guchwalo kweli.
Okay.
Ento won koma beach o geo la megoni yako inge matika geo la megoni o waja tiri kala megro chere fil obino kinana ya football neno
And honorable Gilbert, ngaro mo ilubuni tie ki twer ma tie legally binding. Medyo ko ngate mo penny o chet kamo. Pien kay neno Article 29 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda. Wajo pilokom all those freedoms.
Omera winyo we awaje le ni kuya penyare. Iri pe gi twer mi geo ngati mo ken. Donka iwake ni iti gamente. Pingo igeo joma ai gamente mi cerca neno sto mati yamu. Ci gumma bere ere ye ikarma logo gi joma gitiu. Joni go wajo ni lokpa won komme ni lok vola. Omioro vola bere ko kere kono gengi meta nyim mi ko community.
Okay.
Ci a tigi gen inir ma digani ana bi rwati kwetgi. Were gi mok mer nero gi nen jimi matie gi mere bere ko community. Ma iya yom kitma onwal benat machalo coordinator tika kupe kwere gi office pa personal west question o wero gi mo eken ma o mi office mo mekwa jimne weng worbo fort dare chawale eni watigi liso ko kare kite neno onwal benat o mi kwere.
Yes.
Accountability tie o very clear ma we mete bere kiteno gibere na de onwal o duomo wiye office o mekwa magi neno kitma o tika tikwe groups mo be ichare jomi microfinance buye go wajo ni machalo office wan me rokup kin group matie kilak south ka chel again o we group go form go yubo file go me nying mamegi amita for CDOs matie sub counties weng matie kilak south mago recommending group o yor si primero one groups ma form o you will file mameko office mameko be